everyone, welcome back, and today's video is all about how to do those Instagram slide favorites. So if you're not too sure what that is, it's pretty much where you have a slide and you'll have some text, an iPhone template, and then like the song cover. So you'll have like pick a song that you like the best or pick a song that makes you cry, and then you would have like the little song cover there. And it's been all over Instagram lately, so I want to show you guys how to do that. So that's going to be needing a Pixar, Safari, and Fonto. So go into Pixar and then scroll until you find the Pick Canvas button. Pick the dimensions 25 by 60 and then just save that. You can save it by going to the purple arrow and just click that. And then after you have picked your sizing, make sure it's in white or really any color because you add a background over it. Go to the white button again and then go to edit image. Then you want to go to the sticker button and you want to search for just a plain background that you want to use. And you don't have to do a plain background, it's just easier because you'll be able to see my text and other little stickers that I add onto it. So I just went to the pink circle, I clicked on that overlay and then I zoomed out and then I zoomed in so that I can get the full pattern onto my canvas. I went to sticker again and then I went to iPhone template. Then I picked any that was there. I just chose the iPhone XR model. It's really up to you, it doesn't really matter. But I just clicked this one and then I realized that the people that have uploaded this, their cutout was maybe it didn't work as well. So then I just went and found a new one and I got this one, and then after I've done that I just saved this to my camera. Then after that I went into Safari and I picked a little overlay and I just chose the Powerpuff Girls. I thought it would be really cute onto my little slide, and I really wish that I did the pink one instead because it matches my theme of the pink background. But it was all good. I just picked Bubbles because she's really cute. So I just picked this one. And just for this, you want to make sure it has like a transparent background or white background. But if you want to go and make sure that yours has the transparent one, then you have to go to Eraser, upload the image, and then go to target area. It's just a lot easier. But sometimes the transparent backgrounds aren't always true, like true to what you might see. So just pick one that you like or go into Eraser. After you have done all that work, all you have to do is go into Fonto now and press the camera button and then go to photo albums and then insert the pink and the iPhone template background. Then you want to press the 3 hot dog button and then go to add image. Go to the photos and insert the little overlay that we saved from the internet. And then you want to tilt and resize it to where you want it to go. Depending on where you're going to put it, you can change the size to that. So I was really unsure of where I wanted to put this because I didn't know if I wanted to put it inside the iPhone or like outside of it. So I think I ended up doing it inside as well. Because my text is going to go on the right hand side. So then I just put my like credit writing. I just put Made by Editing Queen 01, and this is really optional. I just think it's really important because there's a lot out there and then you want to get credit for your work. So I just put mine onto the side of my iPhone and then I put that in because it really was enough for my album cover to go in. And I will insert footage of how to do that as well. So just stick to the end and then you'll see that. Then I just put my text. I was going to go on the right hand side. And I was kind of like thinking how the layout was going to turn out, because I did imagine for it to be like all single lines. But then it kind of went out of that. So I just like split up favorite into 2 different lines. So that's pretty much how you do this. It's really up to you how you want to design it. You don't have to do it how I did it, but this is just a little inspiration. and then you can change that to black and stuff like that. So just make sure that you have your credits, that you have fun while making this, because it's really up to you. And thank you for watching. I will insert footage right here. So you want to go onto Instagram, and you want to go onto the little home page where your feed is. So click onto your profile, and then it should have the blue plus button. And then after you're on that, you want to be on a page like this. Then on the little left hand side corner, there's going to be a little box, and with your recent image or video, click your template that we saved from Fonto, and you want to go to the little sticker button next to the drawing tool, and then go to music. And you want to pick your music that you're going to use. So I just picked this one, and I scrolled until the end of my little options, and I found this little cover button. Then I just placed that inside of my iPhone template, and of course you're not going to save this and then upload that as an actual post. This is just to test whether or not it'll be able to fit inside of your little post, so then people could put their cover on it over it, and they don't want to put it like this. You want to have it perfect. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.